Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, oh my goodness, you're so welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Thank you for stopping by. I hope this becomes one of your favorite corners on the internet where you watch about food and recipes. Thank you once again. And today we are diving into something really delicious. We are making some juicy buttery Herbed Tiger Prawns. And guess what? We are pairing it with some golden corn for that perfect sweet and savory combo. It's giving flavor, it's giving vibrant, it's giving comfort food, but elevated. Now, let's go. So here are the prawns I'll be working with today. I've been eyeing them in the freezer, thinking, what magic can I do with these? And boom, this idea came to life. Now, before we start, yes, these prawns have already been washed and prepped. I know someone might ask, you see, how do I clean my prawns? Don't worry, I've got you. I've already posted a full video on that, and I will drop the link in the description box below. So go check it out if you need it, okay? Now, let's get to the fun part, the ingredients. I've got a lovely mix of fresh herbs here, chives, parsley, sage, basil, and coriander. You can have a mixed match of what you want, okay? Yes, we are going all out today because these herbs, they are not just here for the vibes. They bring layers and layers of flavor, so you don't want to miss it. Now, I'm going to chop everything up nice and fine. Oh, and of course, I'm adding some onions and garlic. Because what's flavor without those two? They are aromatics and they are so flavorful. So chop up your onions, your garlic, your herbs, chop everything up. And before I finish chopping, I'm going to melt some butter. Just pop that in a bowl and microwave it until it's soft and melted. Not sizzling, just enough to be stirrable, okay? Once that's done, keep it aside. And now it's time to mix everything. Into the butter, I'm adding all my chopped herbs, the onions, the garlic, and then some chili flakes as well. Smoked paprika, seasoning cubes, and a bit of salt. Guys, the aroma already. Whew. This is so flavorful. I could already perceive it from here. Did I say I added basil? Yeah, basil was also among the things I added in the herbs. So yeah, I added that. So about these prawns, I left the shell on, but I took the veins out. You know what that does? It gives us a pocket. Yes, we are using those shells as flavor traps. So now I'm going to take my beautiful marinade and stuff it right into the prawns. Like, pack it in generously. Don't be easy on it. Don't be shy here. Pack everything. Every corner should have that buttery herby goodness. That's what makes each bite sing. Once that's done, we'll set the prawn aside to soak up all that flavor while we get our corn ready. I've got some fresh corn on the cob and I'm just going to slice them in half. It makes it easier to handle and plate. Then I'm brushing them with some butter because yes, more butter. It makes the corn juicy and golden when it cooks. These are going into the air fryer. And if you've never tried corn in the air fryer, this is your sign. It crisps up beautifully like roasted street corn, but with less stress. If you want it more charred, you can leave it for a longer time. But sometimes I just want it cooked. Now let's cook these prawns. In a hot pan, I'm adding a little butter. Surprise, surprise! More butter. Then I'm going to toss in some chopped onions, a bit of garlic, and just a pinch of salt. Once that's sauteing and smelling amazing, I'm adding my secret weapon. You already know what it is. If you've been here for a while, you know I love my green marinade. I make it in bulk and freeze it in little cubes. This is super handy for days like this. It's just a mix of blended herbs, aromatics, and spices. This is full of flavor. I'll also leave the link for that in the description, okay? So check it out later. Let that cook for a minute and then gently place your prawns into the pan. Give them space, don't overcrowd the pan, okay? They deserve breathing room so that they could cook properly and get all juicy and golden. Now, drizzle some more marinade on top. Don't waste anything. Even that little bit left on the chopping board, scoop everything in. We are not wasting flavor in this kitchen, okay? Cover the pan and let it cook for a few minutes. Flip the prawns gently so both sides soak up all the heat. Because we left the shells on, they will take a little longer, but trust me, it's worth the wait. You know, prawns doesn't take time to cook, but with the shell, you just need to give it a little more minute. But it's worth it. The shell keeps everything moist and locks in that delicious buttery sauce. Now here is the game changer. Squeeze some lemon juice over your prawns towards the end because that citrusy brightness, it lifts everything. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Now they are almost ready and look at that, golden, juicy and slightly crispy at the edges. The sauce, oh my, you need to spoon that all over the prawns so that they stay glossy and full of flavor. Now let's plate this beauty. Add your prawns and add your buttered corn by the side. Drizzle a bit more of the sauce over everything and garnish with some fresh chives. Oh, and don't forget, you need to serve that with some lemon wedge because when you squeeze that lemon all over the prawns when you're eating it, oh my, it is delicious. And just look at this color. Should we call this red or should we call it pink or is it coral? I don't even know, but it is giving. This is stunning. Let me know in the comments what color would you call this? You guys, tell me why you would want to dive into this plate right now. This is sweet. This is spicy. This is buttery. It's just everything. And it's even kind of balanced, you know, because we've got the protein from the prawns, we've got the carbs from the corn, and all those herbs and aromatics. This is nutritional goodness. So that is it for today, my loves. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe. Tell me how you think this will taste. Tell me what you will pair it with and if you'd spice it up even more. I love hearing your thoughts, okay? Please share it with me. Please don't forget to like as well, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support, it really keeps this kitchen glowing and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe, eat good food, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye for now.